Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Steam VR error code 499. Let's begin. First, click on your start menu over here and then type graphics settings. All right, graphics settings, left click on it. Then I want you to click on browse or add application. All right, so click on it. It will open a new file path for you to select. I want you to go to local disk C and over here, go to program files 86, scroll down until you see or locate Steam. Then over here, scroll down and you will see the Steam application right over here. So click and then choose add. Then this will be displayed over here. You can click on options and then choose high performance, right? What do you prefer for graphics performance? Select high performance and then click on save. Now, another option is to go to your Steam client. So open up your Steam, go click on Steam and then click on settings. Then scroll down, go to downloads, scroll down, clear download cache. Click on clear cache. Once done, you can now close this window, then go to library. And for example, let's select a random game. For example, this one, you can right click on here, go to properties, and make sure this option is enabled. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. So make sure this is turned on. You can now close this, restart Steam or your PC just to make sure. And once you're back on your screen, everything should now be working smoothly. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.